Hey Bill, looks like you got a new electric range. Your kitchen's really taking shape. Unfortunately, keeping electric and induction cooktops clean can be tricky business. Here are some ways to avoid serious elbow grease. The best way to keep it clean is to get those spills up right away, so wiping up buildup is much easier later on. For safety, make sure the range is cool and turned off before you start cleaning. It's a good idea to wipe down your cooktop after each time you use it. Just a damp cloth and surface cleaner work for routine cleaning. If you need to, whip out the cooktop cleaner and scraper for those stains that won't budge. Whoa, easy, Bill. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then wipe it away with a dry cloth. Use the scraper for anything left over. And be gentle. If your range has any stainless steel sections, use a stainless steel cleaner to keep them nice and shiny. It's important to not use abrasive cleaning products. Now for the knobs. Make sure they are turned to the off position. Then remove and clean one at a time in warm soapy water. Also, be sure to lock the panel before you clean it. This will prevent you from disturbing any settings. Now for the nitty-gritty on grates, griddles, and wok rings. Use a stiff brush and hot water for those items. Okay, Bill, cleaning a gas cooktop or range is generally more complicated. You'll have to be precise when assembling and disassembling the burners. Be careful not to get the ignitors and gas orifices wet. Make sure to clean the burner heads and caps in soapy water. Use scouring pads for tough stains. And remove clogs with a pin or needle. No matter what you're cleaning, always make sure it's dry before reassembling or repositioning, especially things like gas burners. So there you have it, Bill. Yep, cooktop cleaning can seem overwhelming. So let's recap our tips and tricks. Get those messes up as soon as they spill. When you're ready to clean, turn off the range and let it cool first. Use a soft, damp cloth for the cooktop. A cooktop cleaner and scraper are best for those stubborn spills. A stainless steel cleaner will maintain a healthy shine on any exterior parts. Stay away from abrasive cleaners. Make sure knobs are dialed to the off setting before removing, and clean them in warm soapy water. Lock the panel before you clean it. A stiff brush and hot water are ideal for grates, griddles, and wok rings. Understand the complexities of gas range cleaning, and make sure everything is dry before putting back into place, including gas burners. Bill, you are one lean, mean cleaning machine. Got a few more dirty ranges I could use a hand with over here. Let's go!